Hello, everyone. This is my review of Thankful Everyday children's book. This book was written by P.K. Hallinan. It is written in the style of a poem, and it teaches children to give praise to God for each day that we are alive and to be thankful for the things that we have. And it's a well-made book that's made of cardboard, hardcover, and hard pages, and will last pretty long, and you can give it to your child to read, or you read it to your child yourself. So I highly recommend this book, and I hope that this review helps.